Nvidia's latest earnings call just dropped, and CEO Jensen Huang didn't hold back. From doubling down on U.S. manufacturing to warning about the consequences of export bans to China, this update reveals how Nvidia plans to navigate a rapidly changing global landscape. Let's break down what Huang said, what it means for the future of AI, and why this moment could be a major turning point for Nvidia and for investors like us. During the company's Q1 fiscal 2025 earnings call, Jensen Huang made it crystal clear. Nvidia is planning to bring the full AI hardware stack, from chips to supercomputers, back to the U.S. by the end of this year. To make that vision a reality, they're partnering with major players like TSMC, Foxconn, and Winstron to build components on American soil. Huang emphasized Nvidia's long-term purchase commitments and investments to support this manufacturing shift. This isn't a vague promise. It's a multi-billion-dollar strategic pivot meant to anchor Nvidia's future in the U.S. It also echoes growing political pressure to bring advanced tech production back home, something that's becoming more important than ever. But the tone wasn't all optimistic. Huang also addressed major export restrictions that are now taking a toll on Nvidia's bottom line. In April, the Trump administration officially banned the sale of Nvidia's H20 AI chip to China, even though it was specifically designed to comply with earlier rules under the Biden administration. The impact? A $4.5 billion revenue loss in Q1, and another $8 billion hit expected in Q2. Nvidia also can't sell its Hopper platform chips to China anymore. And that's a big deal, especially since Huang pointed out that China has half of the world's AI developers. His warning was direct. If the U.S. cuts off access, those developers will simply build on Chinese alternatives, potentially undermining not just Nvidia's dominance, but also U.S. national security goals and AI leadership. But here's the part that caught my attention. Huang didn't stop at hardware. He said, the AI race isn't just about chips. The real long-term advantage is the software stack, the platforms, the tools, the ecosystem that developers use to build AI models. Even though Nvidia is locked out of China for now, they're making moves elsewhere. Thanks to Trump's recent Middle East visit, Nvidia is set to sell hundreds of thousands of AI chips to Saudi Arabia and the UAE, supporting their sovereign AI efforts. That's a powerful reminder that Nvidia is thinking globally. Even as some doors close, others are opening fast. Now, if you're following Nvidia as an investor, like I am, here's some key takeaways. Yes, revenue will take a hit short-term due to the China export bans. But long-term strategy looks strong, especially with U.S. manufacturing and global diversification. The battle for AI dominance will be decided not just by who builds the fastest chips, but by who owns the platforms developers rely on. With the AI market still in its early innings, Nvidia's ability to adapt and lead might be more important than ever. If you found this breakdown useful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more updates on Nvidia, tech stocks, and the future of AI investing.